Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you the Breakout Code 2.0 review. So in this Breakout Code 2.0 review, I'll be showing you what exactly this product is, how it is going to help you. I'll be also showing you the members area of the Breakout Code, where I'll be showing you what all trainings are there inside this product. And I'll be also showing you my bonuses, which I have compiled for you guys if you decide to pick up the Breakout Code 2.0 using my link, which is right there in the description down below. And finally, I'll be also giving you my verdict about this product, if this is a right fit for you or not. So guys, in case you don't know me, my name is Saurabh, and this channel is all about latest product reviews, tips and tricks on affiliate marketing, and a lot more. So the Breakout Code 2.0 is the latest product from James Fawcett and Mark Barrett that is going to be launched on Warrior Plus Marketplace on 8th of January. And this is an info-based product where Mark and James have shown how they're able to make those affiliate commissions on Warrior Plus using solo ads. So if you don't know, James has been into online industry for just over a year, and he has done exceedingly well in affiliate marketing. He has been on top of the leaderboards of various launches, and he's just making some excellent commissions, and all without making any review videos, without showing his face, and all he is doing is using solo ads. So that is what he has shown in this training. This is the 2.0 version of the Breakout Code. There was a 1.0 version, so this is some additional trainings have been included in this. So let me just take you right inside the members area of the Breakout Code and show you around. So this is how the members area gonna look like, and you will get the welcome video. And after that, you have the affiliate Breakout 2.0, where you will learn how to promote different products, how to get approved to promote hot products. So this is again a very big challenge with newbies face, so this has been covered inside the training. And then they will also recommend you the products to promote. And the thing which I really like about is the first training over here, which is the get the Breakout Code mindset. As you know, I always say mindset plays a very important role in online business. Next, you will learn everything about funnel building, how you can use funnels, and they're telling you to use click funnels. But in one of my bonuses, I'm going to give you an alternate for click funnels that I will cover later on in this video, so make sure you watch this video towards the end. And then you will learn about how to build up a thank you page, how to set up exit intent, which is like when someone is just exiting from a page, so they get some kind of a pop-up which will give them some additional discount, some additional offer. Then you will learn about connecting your autoresponder, and then comes the email cache breakout. So you will learn everything about the email marketing. Again, I've got you covered through my bonuses on email marketing, so just wait and watch for that. And then comes the traffic part, which is the solo ad strategy, which has been revealed inside this course. So you will learn how to scale solo ads, how you need to find the solo ad vendors, and there is also a free method of using Facebook group to promote products. So again, through my bonuses, I've covered you with some free methods as well. And then you have the bonus resources, so you will have the license rights to the Breakout Code 1.0, so that you will get. And then you have the Breakout Code bonus funnel, the list building strategy, follow-up swipes, and then there are some additional upgrades which I will be showing you later on in the video. So this is all about the members area. And if you decide to pick up the Breakout Code using my link, which is right there in the description down below, I have covered you through my bonuses. And this is how my bonus page gonna look like once you click on the link in the description. And you need to make sure that you pick up these bonuses before this countdown timer runs out. And you can watch the video sales letter over here as well. And the first bonus which I'm going to give you is a business breakthrough session. So that is going to be 1 hour one-to-one mentorship coaching call with me, where we can discuss about anything related to online business. Bonus number two, I'm going to give you email marketing training. So as I told you, I've got you covered with the email marketing part of it. So you will get complete training on email marketing over here. And the third bonus is you're going to get 2000 copy paste emails. So you just have to import these emails in your autoresponder and you're good to go. So you will get the complete training on how you need to import these in your autoresponder, and you have these done for you emails. And these are emails on make money online needs. So you can customize them, add your own links, and you can just use them straight away. Bonus number four, I'm going to show you behind the scenes of a six-figure marketing campaign. So what happens when a six-figure marketer creates their marketing campaign? So you will get this entire recording of that. Bonus number five, I'm going to give you my product, which is Aerial Assassin, along with all the upgrades. So, Aerial Assassin is basically the free method of promoting any product on Facebook. So, that's a Facebook organic marketing method, and along with that, you are also going to get the advanced training, the done for you package, and the license rights as well. Bonus number six, I'm going to give you additional training on how you can generate a unique content. As you know, content is the key, and you need to produce unique content. So I've got it covered with this training over here. Bonus number seven, I'm going to give you another of my product, List Lariat, along with all the upgrades. So List Lariat will teach you how you can build an email list for yourself by giving out free stuff. And in this training, I've also covered you with the alternatives for ClickFunnels. So you're going to get the membership, the advanced training. You're going to get the license rights as well, so you can promote this product as your own and keep the 100% profit as well. And all you need to do, just click on any of these buttons on this page. Once you're ready to make the purchase, that will take you to this particular sales page, and you can go through this sales page in your leisure time once you're ready to make the purchase, and all your bonuses will be right there waiting for you inside the Warrior Plus dashboard. So now talking about the price point for the breakout code. So the front end, which includes all the training and all my bonuses, that is only going to cost you 12.95. That's the price for the front end of the Breakout Code 2.0. And then there are some additional optional upgrades which you want. You can go ahead with those, otherwise you can skip them. Let me just quickly cover these upgrades as well. So the upgrade number one is the cash on demand. So in this upgrade, you will learn how you can completely autopilot your work, and you're also going to get additional email swipes and basically all the other tools and techniques which these guys are using in their business, and that is going to cost you $37. The upgrade number two is the done for you package. So in this upgrade, you're going to get 10 of their funnels, and you can just use those funnels in your business. And the cost for this is $197, and there will be a downsell as well for $97, so you can get all these funnels for literally $97. Upgrade number three is the Breakout Code Inner Circle Profits Club. So basically, this is going to be their inner circle coaching, where you can attend weekly calls, training sessions, and if you have any questions, you can ask in this particular forum. And that is going to cost you $67, and there will be a downsell, so you can literally pick this up for just $7. Upgrade number four is the little black book. In this black book, they will give you the secret traffic sources, the list of vendors which they are personally using for solo ads. So that is going to cost you $47 with a downsell of $27. So by downsell, I mean you will get an option to purchase this for even $27. So you can pick this up for 27 if you want. Upgrade number five is the unlimited traffic. So this is again additional traffic training where they will teach you uh, additional traffic sources other than the solo ads. And this training will cost you $197 and with a downsell of $97. And the upgrade number 6 is the license rights. So you will get the license rights for all the previous 7 products, and you can use the license rights to promote these products as your own and keep the 100% profit. And that will cost you $97 with a downsell of 67. So literally you can pick this up for $67, and in this $67 you get 7 resell rights. S- uh, and in this $67 you're going to get a license right for 7 of their products. So this is all about the pricing for the Breakout Code 2.0. And now talking about if this product is a good fit for you or not. See, the strategy which is been told inside this training, that literally works, and James and Mark are the real examples of it. I've been following them, and they are on almost all the leadership boards of different products on Warrior Plus. And you can, if you follow them, you can see they're not creating videos. They are not doing anything else. They're just using this particular strategy of solo ads. I have personally tried solo ads in my business previously, but I wasn't didn't get much success. But after going through this particular training, I will also implement the same in my business. So this is a strategy, and along with my bonuses, I've got it covered with the free methods as well. So it's a thumbs up from my side. I highly recommend you pick this up and take action on it. Guys, thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.